Hey guys, I'm Dr. Whitney, board certified dermatologist and the founder of Dr. Whitney Bow Beauty, and today I'm going to break down my viral skin cycling method night by night. So night one is exfoliation night. So on exfoliation night, what you want to do first is you want to cleanse the skin because you want to be removing any makeup. You want a nice even penetration of those exfoliating acids. And then you want to pat dry. You want your skin to be clean and dry before you apply your exfoliating product. The next step is that I recommend a leave-on exfoliating serum. Ideally one with a blend of what I call the ABPs of exfoliating acids. So A stands for alpha hydroxy acids, B stands for beta hydroxy acids, and then P stands for polyhydroxy acids. So ideally you want a blend of those different types of acids in that leave-on product. You want to apply a nice thin layer to the face, the neck, and the chest, the décolletage, right? We don't want to ignore the V of the chest. And then you want to give that about a minute or two to absorb into the skin. And then you can apply your moisturizer on top. Now, what exfoliation night is gonna do is it's gonna dissolve away that uppermost layer of dead skin cells. So you literally wake up the next morning and your skin is brighter, it's more radiant. The texture actually feels smoother. On to night two, retinoid night. So first of all, what is a retinoid? Retinoid is a big umbrella term that includes over-the-counter retinol, OL, or retinal, AL, but it also includes prescription strength products you can get from your dermatologist. If you use them consistently over time, they can work on a number of different pathways in the skin, ranging from things like acne, all the way to helping with firmness and even improving elasticity in the skin. So step one is you want to cleanse and you want to pat dry. You don't want to apply a retinoid to damp skin. Then you want to take a pea-sized amount of your retinoid and you want to take that pea and you want to dab it evenly throughout the face. Then you want to take another pea for the neck and then 2 more peas for the chest. You're gonna rub that product in. It may feel like it's not enough, and that's okay, especially if you're new to a retinoid. You wanna build in time for your skin to adjust to the retinoid. Now, when you're done rubbing that in, then you can put a moisturizer on top. Okay, let's go to nights 3 and 4, recovery nights. So guys, your muscles need recovery, right? After a tough workout. So it makes intuitive sense that your skin also benefits from recovery nights, especially if you have sensitive skin or if you're new to some powerful actives like acids or retinoids. So what do we do on recovery nights? So first you want to cleanse. Then you want to apply your moisturizer. You want to look for a moisturizer that's going to dive into the skin. You don't want one that's just going to sit on the surface of the skin. You want to look for ingredients like ceramides, squalane, hyaluronic acid, prebiotics, postbiotics. Those ingredients are going to really nourish and repair the skin barrier and rebalance the skin microbiome. And that is so important when it comes to healthy skin. I really hope that you guys put skin cycling to the test, and I can't wait to share in your skincare journey.